Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is me Nikhil Pandey, and this is my another video on the subject of physics, because majority of the NEET aspirants find it difficult because it has various numerical problem. So in this video we will see what should be our approach and what should be our strategy for the subject of physics. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So now many of you might have started with your preparation and many of you might have not. What I would suggest you is to go through chapters of basic maths and vector first. For example, you're solving a question of kinematics and you want to differentiate an equation. Having a simple or a basic knowledge of differentiation will help you solve this question easily. So start with basic maths and then this. So guys, finally coming to strategy. There is this one point that I would like to share with you before starting with strategy. If physics is your weak subject, start it early. So the first point, watch online lectures. While you are watching your lecture, simultaneously make your own notes. You can try to write it in your own language so that it is easy for you to understand later. Third point, make your own formula list. After making formula list, point fourth is read NCERT, and this is the point that majority of the students skip. They read the NCERT for the subject of biology and chemistry, but for physics at least you should go for the in-text question and question at the back of the NCERT, because majority of the question for physics are framed from the NCERT only. So after this, once you're done with solving the in-text question and the question given at the back of the NCERT, update your own formula list. This is the first 4 point, and this together makes up the 50% of the strategy. So another 50% of the bulk of your physics preparation is solving question. Solving question is really important because it is what is going to differentiate you from the other student, as well as it gives you an additional confidence in the examination. So what should be our basic approach when we solve a question? First thing, try to read the question and highlight the points that are given. See what they have asked in the question and what are the information provided to you, and try to think of a relatable formula which contain these both variables. And because majority of the question in the NEET examination are either formula based or they are one or two step questions. So if you keep this approach, you will definitely be able to come up with the formula that you can use to solve this problem. This is another point that I would like to mention, that if you're practicing question and not analyzing it, it does not carry any significance. You should practice question. Let's say you have practiced 20 question and 10 you have got right and 10 you have got wrong. So analyzing what kind of mistake you have made and where you have made the mistake is the key factor, and try to update your notes as well as your formula list regarding what kind of mistake you have done. And at the last, I would like to mention that your discipline and your consistency is your real power.